The cost of installing a septic tank can vary widely depending on a number of factors, including the size of the tank, the complexity of the installation, and the location of the property. Here are some general guidelines for the cost of septic tank installation. Tank size. The cost of a septic tank installation can vary based on the size of the tank needed for the property. A typical residential septic tank ranges in size from 1,000 to 1,500 gallons. A larger tank will cost more than a smaller tank. Soil conditions. The cost of septic tank installation can also vary based on the soil conditions at the property. If the soil is rocky or has a high water table, the installation may be more complex and therefore more expensive. Location. The cost of septic tank installation can vary by geographic region, as different areas may have different labor and material costs. Other factors that can affect the cost of septic tank installation include site preparation, excavation costs, and permit fees. As a rough estimate, the cost of a basic septic tank installation for a 1,000-gallon tank on a level site with good soil conditions can range from $3,000 to $5,000. However, the total cost can be significantly higher depending on the factors mentioned above. It's best to consult with a licensed septic tank installer in your area for a more accurate estimate based on your specific property and needs.